Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Balaji Chandrasekharan. Today I will be discussing one of the features of Java 8, the ForEach method in iterable map and stream interfaces. With the release of Java 8, there were significant improvements and additions to existing APIs. The ForEach method is one such addition, and it was introduced to several interfaces, including iterable map and stream. The ForEach method is a default method. This method provides a consistent way to iterate over elements in collections and streams. These additions to the standard library made it more convenient to work with collections and streams, promoting a functional and expressive programming style. The for each method in particular aligns with the principles of functional programming and enhances readability in certain scenarios. The for each method takes a parameter action of type java.util.function.consumer, which represents the action to be performed for each element. The return type of for each is void, hence it do not returns anything. It throws null pointer exception if the input action is null. The iterable interface is one of the top level interface in collection framework hierarchy. This interface represents a collection of elements that can be iterated over, meaning you can access each element one by one. It is a base interface that enables the use of the for each loop and other iteration constructs in Java. Map is one of the other top level interface in collection framework hierarchy to represent a collection of key value pairs. It does not extend the collection directly, but is considered part of the framework. It's implemented in some of the classes such as hashmap, treemap, linked hashmap, and hash table. The for each method in the iterable interface is used to iterate over the elements of the collection and perform an action on each element. The syntax for using for each in the iterable interface is as follows. Consumer question mark super T action is a functional interface representing the operation that will be performed for each element. T is the type of element in the collection. Let us see examples of using the for each method in both the iterable interface and stream interface. In this example, the for each method is called on the list which implements iterable. The lambda expression contains a single parameter element and an expression to print each element using system.out.println. This is the action performed for each element, printing it to the console. As the same way, the method reference system.out::println is used as an action performed for each element, printing it to the console. In this example, the for each method is called on this stream interface. The list is converted to a stream using the stream method, and then the for each method is applied with the same action or the same method reference to print each element. All these examples achieve the same result, iterating over the elements of the collections and performing an action for each element. The choice between using the for each with iterable or stream depends on the context and where you are working with a collection or a stream of elements. Using method references with for each can take the code more concise and readable, especially when the action is a simple method call like printing to the console. The for each method in the map interface allows you to iterate over key value pairs in a map. Here is an example. In this example, we create a map called myMap with key value pairs. The for each method is called on the map interface and the lambda expression is provided as an action to be performed for each key value pair. The lambda expression so it prints each key value pair to the console. This example demonstrates how to use the for each method to iterate over the entities in a map and perform a specific action for each key value pair. Thanks for watching my video.